Basic English conversation for kids.
Hello, I'm your friend, Bobo. I'll help you practice English conversation. Please follow my directions. Thank you! It's lunchtime! Words. After you listen to each word, say the word. Salad. Sink. Line. Wash. Conversation.
It's lunchtime.
What's for lunch?
Fried chicken, French fries, and salad.
Great! I like fried chicken.
You need to wash your hands before lunch. Kids, line up at the sink.
Okay!
Did you all wash your hands?
Yes!
Good, you can start eating.
Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better.
It's lunchtime.
What's for lunch?
Fried chicken, French fries, and salad.
Great! I like fried chicken.
You need to wash your hands before lunch. Kids, line up at the sink.
Okay!
Did you all wash your hands?
Yes!
Good, you can start eating.
Word quiz. Line. Wash. Sink. conversation quiz. What did Max say? Great! I like fried chicken. What's for lunch?
Fried chicken, French fries, and salad.
What did kids say?
You need to wash your hands before lunch. Kids, line up at the sink.
Okay. Thank you.
What did kids say?
Did you all wash your hands? It's lunchtime.
Yes!
You did it! You were superstar!
Yay!
Goodbye!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.